welcome to all. Presenting Amrita Grandeur, the luxury apartments in Hebbal, North Bengaluru, behind Manyata Tech Park and facing Dasarahalli Lake. A unique blend of convenience and comfort for pleasurable living. Amrita Infratech is a fast-growing construction company in Bengaluru. The company has successfully reached to the turnover of 100 crores by the year 2009. Total 60 independent flats in 2 blocks with no common walls, excellent architectural design facing Dasarahalli Lake and Manyata Tech Park. The main connectivity is from Thanisandra Road via Rachenahalli and also from Manyata Tech Park. It's just 5 minutes drive from Hebbal flyover, located centrally between NH7 and Outer Ring Road. Just 25-minute drive to International Airport and 9 kilometers to MG Road. Amrita Grandeur is surrounded by international schools, colleges, famous hospitals, Columbia Asia, Shankar Nethralaya and Kaveri Medical Center. Amrita Grandeur also provides you the luxury of amphitheatre, swimming pool, clubhouse with indoor games and gymnasium, children play area, 100% power backup, gas pipeline, security, 24 hours water supply, water connection from BWSSB and borewell with sump and overhead tank. Rainwater harvesting will be provided. RCC framework, walls with solid cement blocks, flooring, premium quality vitrified tiles flooring in living, dining, sit-out and bedrooms. Anti-skid ceramic tiles in kitchen, utility balcony and common area with granite. Kitchen counters with granite top and stainless steel sink of the size 36 by 18. Glazed tiles above the working platform to a height of about 2 feet. Toilet. Anti-skid ceramic tiles for flooring and glazed tiles for wall up to a height of 7 feet with concealed plumbing and cascade sanitary fittings of Hindware or equivalent. Teakwood frame and shutter for entrance door. All other frames shall be made of home wood or with equivalent quality wood and flush doors. Concealed conduit wiring, adequate light and fan points, about 6 amps and 16A plug points, etc. controlled by ELCB and MCBs with independent meters, provision for AC in master bedroom, modular switches with CG or equivalent. Painting. Putty and emulsion finish for inside walls and ceiling. Enamel paint for wood and grill. Exterior area will be painted with Asian paints. Concealed conduit wiring for 2 telephone points are provided. Cable TV connection in living and family living room. Backup silent generator for lift, common area and 1 kilowatt for all flats is provided. 6 passenger lift of Schindler or Otis. Intercom facility is also provided for all flats. Covered car parking will be provided. Office address: Amrita Infratech, number 118, Royal Manor Apartment, Royal Enclave Layout, Srirampura, Jakkur, Bengaluru, 560064. Mobile number 966 32 80270 or 966 32 80276. You can also contact us through email amrita.infratech@gmail.com.